Been hitting the gym for weeks but not seeing results? You might be making one of these 7 mistakes that secretly kill your gains. Let's fix that, so you can build muscle faster and smarter. You walk in, grab dumbbells and start lifting without warming up? That's a one-way ticket to injury. Cold muscles don't grow, they tear. Do 5-10 minutes of dynamic warm-up before lifting. Trying to impress people by lifting too heavy? If your form is trash, your muscles won't grow, but your injury list will. Use a weight you can control for 8 to 12 reps with good form. Bench pressing like it's a dance move or squatting halfway. Bad form means less muscle activation and 0 gains. Use mirrors or record yourself to correct form. More gym and more muscle? Nope. Muscles grow during rest, not during workouts. Train 5 to 6 days max and sleep 7 to 8 hours daily. No workout log, no idea how much you lifted last week? If you're not tracking, you're guessing. And guessing doesn't build muscle. Use a simple notebook or fitness app to track sets, reps and weight. You finish a killer workout and eat nothing for hours? That's a wasted opportunity for growth. Take whey protein or a protein-rich meal within 30-60 mins post-workout. Doing workouts from ripped influencers without knowing your body type or goal. Not every workout is meant for you. Follow a structured plan that suits your goal, not just someone's abs. So here's your fix list. Warm up, control your ego, focus on form, rest enough, track workouts, eat protein, follow your own plan. Fix these 7 mistakes and your gains will skyrocket. Hit that like button if you found your mistake. Subscribe for more no BS fitness content and drop a in the comments if you're ready to train smart.